This is the most historic racing venue that has seen the evolution of street racing over decades. Our story begins in the 1950s, when the Yellow Belly drag strip first opened its gates in Grand Prairie, Texas. It was a time when hot rods and muscle cars ruled the streets, and young enthusiasts were looking for a place to test their skills legally and safely. Today, we're diving into the rich history of this iconic track and its impact on the racing community. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates when I upload new exciting videos. So now let's get into today's topic. The Yellow Belly drag strip quickly became a haven for these speed demons. It was one of the few places where anyone could bring their car, pay a small fee, and race against the clock or fellow competitors. This accessibility helped foster a diverse community of racers, from seasoned professionals to eager newcomers. The Yellow Belly drag strip was more than just a racing track. It was a gathering place for car enthusiasts. People would come from all over Texas to race, show off their cars, and share their love for speed. It really brought the community together. As the years went by, Yellow Belly became known for its night races, adding an extra layer of excitement and a bit of mystique. The track's reputation grew, attracting larger crowds and more skilled racers. It wasn't just about speed anymore. It was about the thrill, the competition, and the culture. Over the decades, Yellow Belly has seen countless cars tear down its strip. From the roaring engines of classic muscle cars in the 60s and 70s to the rise of import tuners in the 90s and 2000s, the track has adapted and evolved with the times. Each era brought its own unique style and flavor to the races. One of the primary revenue streams for the Yellow Belly drag strip is ticket sales. Fans and spectators pay to watch the thrilling races, whether it's a regular weekend event or a special race night. Ticket prices vary depending on the event, with major races commanding higher prices due to increased demand and larger crowds. Another significant revenue stream comes from concessions and merchandise. Food and beverage stands, selling everything from snacks to full meals. See brisk business on race days. Additionally, merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, and memorabilia not only promotes the track, but also adds to the income. Sponsorships are vital for us. They not only bring in revenue, but also help us maintain and improve the track. From safety upgrades to facility enhancements, sponsors help us keep the experience top-notch for racers and fans alike. Sponsorship packages can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the level of exposure and the event scale. Naming rights for major events and prominent branding opportunities are highly sought after by sponsors. Running a drag strip comes with its own set of costs. Maintenance of the track, safety equipment, staffing, and utilities all require significant investment. The Yellow Belly drag strip employs a dedicated team to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. Annual operational costs can run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, but careful financial planning and diverse revenue streams help manage these expenses. The Yellow Belly drag strip is great for the local economy. It draws in visitors who spend money at nearby hotels, restaurants, and shops. It's a win-win for everyone. So for the racing enthusiast, Yellow Belly has always been a great place, which is still carrying a significant role all in all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I will catch you in the next videos. Till then, stay safe. Happy racing.